Hello, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're looking at a little hive right beside the one we just looked at. This one is hive number 61, East Fence. Yep, everything working. This one here has a yellow queen, and she's building better because she was having a situation there for a little while. She wasn't building very well. On the 16th of last month she was building better. Right now she said, "You got no food. Trying to starve us, Daddy." That's them. Now this one has a screen here. And that's what I used to build when I didn't have maybe 25, 30, 40 hives. Got a few beetles too. But they got them up here at the top. Ain't but about 4 or 5 of them. There we go. Yep, my box is cracking. Turn it around. Okay. This is their feeder dish. Yeah, but this one here was real slow to start with. Had a beetle underneath it, but we got that one. And the weather being the way it is, they don't look like they're gonna like me. We'll be right back. Say we've been out working all day and got wet, come home and you want to mess with us. And I know how they feel. This is my quick way of just getting a little smoke. No bugs on that one. There we go. Okay. This smoker I've got too, I had to change from the smoker I used to use because I was burning things up. I was sitting it down in the grass and burning the yards up and sticking it down on beehive tops and burning holes in there. Oh, gross. This is just little stuff. I don't know if I want to sit down on this bench again or not. This is okay as long as I don't put too much weight on it. And the ones I'm sitting, the boxes I'm sitting on, they're my nute boxes, but they're old nute boxes, and they weren't built out proper stuff. Okay, this one here has nectar, honey, pollen, That's what that one is. They got some nectar and pollen and honey and all that kind of bee stuff in there. And we're going to set it right here. Come on, girls. There you go. This one here has some brood. Some larvae. Getting a little dark out here. I can't see no eggs. Okay, we got eggs on this side. Okay, where's the queen? There's eggs in there and you can't see them. I had someone that wanted to see if I'd show them some eggs and some larvae and some bees fixing to hatch. And there's something else. And I have found the right bunch of frames where I can show that. Showing eggs is going to be kind of hard. This one here has brood, nectar, pollen, yellow queen. He's right there. She's in here amongst down here now. She's shy. But it has a, we know it has a queen now. She's marked. She's just slow. And like I say before, they were slow. I don't know if she didn't get mated good or what. This one here has some brood, some nectar, some honey, some pollen, larvae. This is all pollen here, spotted with brood. This is honey, and there's some larvae down in there with some pollen and bee food. We're not gonna take her out. We're gonna leave her in here because she is trying, and she's pretty good bees. Other than I think it's the weather today that they won't be eating. But this one here's got some honey and nectar and pollen and bee stuff in it. And that's a super frame, or what I call a honey frame. These little white things down here is where that's what they did to the fishing line when they chew it off sometimes. And their teeth aren't very good to cut it. They just chew it up like that and break it. I know the feeling. But we're going to set them up here with some food. Peppermint candy. Pollen. And see how they're going to do for the next quarter. To me, a quarter's a week. Supposed to have 4 weeks in a month. We're going to drop a pollen patty here in the bottom too. There it goes. Should have put it down before I put the frame back in. But that's that. Now we got pollen here somewhere. There it is over there. We got the pollen here. We'll give them enough, because I know they're not getting it from here. We keep getting a little rain here though, you know. Not like Kentucky, but that's there. Put that there. Put that there. Give them some food. Might come back tomorrow and give them a bigger food dish. Put a little bit of flotation in there. Put their top back on there. But all these little nukes started the same way. I'm fixing to get where I'm not going to be trying to make any more though. I was trying to make them anyway sometime. But this is samples. Right now we're making them. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bee. Y'all give us a comment, thumbs up, share, subscribe, what else? That's about it. These little girls over here, this is a double deep 8, and they've been bringing in pollen pretty good here too. This is theirs. That's covered with a piece of metal. We got a little hole up at the top, because when the queen is getting ready to come out and all that stuff, I don't give the other bees a opportunity to try to steal. This one right here has screen wire, window screen over the entrance. It's metal instead of that fiber stuff. Bees will eat through that fiber. But this here, and they got a little hole. There's a little hole right here, and they go in and out. And they're used to that now, so they have no problem. But y'all have a marvelous night. Have a good week. Be careful out there, and we'll talk to you later. Keep watching. Appreciate it.